My name's Kanji Coder, and I fucking hate this. Let's go. So in the legal stuff section, we have eliminate source of confusion, and this code is not fucking helping me like I thought it would. Let's go down to the next section. In data by system, we have the editor game state data. Let's scroll down here. And we have the editor game state data for when the program is behaving as a game right here. And we've tried to seal this object so that we cannot add new properties or access properties that don't exist. This ain't fucking helping us either. Not even in strict mode is it helping us. Okay, so in bomb thought, this is the bomb thought putter for putting a fata tile into the tile map when we're in the game mode. And this G25 has been moved up to the thought vars because we're going to need it in more than one place now. So let's go down here. What room am I in? So if everything is okay, we go into this branch of code and we figure out which G25 index R5X, R5Y corresponds to. We remove the const keyword from here because we've added a new section. If everything is okay, then we're gonna see if we're inside of a void room. And if we are inside of a void room, then okay is going to not be okay, because Kano is equal to a negative number, which is not greater than equal to 1, right? Okay, so that's just a little bit of a guard because we can't set fata tiles inside of void rooms. And then within Mouse Master, in Mouse Master click drag for when we're in game mode, we've added use strict right here because, you know, we would think this would fucking help us, but it's not fucking helping us. Anyways, error check game state. If we're inside a debug mode, we're gonna make sure the shorthand reference to the game state is not undefined, and if it is, we throw an error, and then we're going to extract these two variables, and we're just gonna make sure that they're not undefined. And we are getting this error, so something is fucked up. Okay, so right here, these two variables should not both be 0, otherwise we're going to throw an error that we have a bad configuration for our fuck around modes. And then down here, one behavior for now. We're still inside of the Mouse Master click drag, and inside of one behavior for now, we're just error checking the V16. It should be between 1 and 15 inclusive, otherwise our bit packing kind of fucked up. Okay, and then down here, what we did previously in our footnotes, and if you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast code review. We don't have time. Source code, ways to get hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm out of here.